Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have Audi Q4, this one here, and what we're going to do is to upgrade it with QI wireless smartphone charger. So let me just show you at the moment what is in the car. So if we come in, you'll be able to see that in Audi Q4s, on different models, you get the QI chargers in different locations, sometimes under the armrest, sometimes somewhere there, but obviously on this car, it is located there. At the moment, it's just a shelf there's nothing there. And we're going to do a full upgrade, so that will become a QI charger. So you'll be able to put your smartphone on top and it will charge it, and we're linked to the system and my system. So yeah, let's get to it and we'll show you when it's all completed. I'm back in the car. The QI charger, the installation is finished, is completed. So let's have a look first how it looks. And the biggest surprise is that still here, what I was showing previously looks the same. And the reason is I was mistaken. The plate doesn't go in here on the Q4, it goes exactly here. I apologize for this. We do lots of these, so I can't remember every time we do this which one goes where, but obviously clearly this one sits here. But regardless, obviously it's all installed so you can see exactly the plate. There's a little clip that holds the phone in place because obviously it's vertical location. So let me just put the phone in now, and if I slide that in, we should get there you go, you should get a icon with the phone charging. So that's all working, and MMI also comes up with a message showing wireless charging. So it's all linked with the Audi and my system together. So all done to the factory specification with 3 years warranty. If you like this kind of installation done for your car, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.